Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now back in Bangkok at the Hansar Hotel in Bangkok. I am walking towards my room. I just want to show because it's an open air concept. So although it's pretty hot in Bangkok right now, but you feel the cold breeze coming in. Actually, I arrived at my room, 1212. As I mentioned, I came back to this hotel from time to time because I really like its location, the suite concept and everything, and definitely the sustainability also matters. So you know, when you walk in, although this is glass, so you can see it, but you cannot get in to kind of the greenhouse, but you really appreciate the thoughtfulness of the sustainability factor here. So this is the mirror. So this is the Edge Suite. Last time we stayed at the Vertical Suite with my husband for vacation, but this time I'm really here for just one day work day in Bangkok for some meetings. So I got the Edge Suite. So let me give you a quick room tour. So it's definitely more compact than the Vertical Suite that I stayed last time, but it's, you know, really generous in size already. So this is at one corner. You know, if it's like in a resort, is where the sunbed is. You know, this is a similar area. And then this is the work desk. And then in front of the work desk is another very comfortable sofa area. And then they are very nice to recognize my return stay, saying welcome back to Hansar with the welcome sweets and fruits and a thank you handwritten note. So this is the Samsung TV. And then they have the kettle. They don't have Nespresso coffee machine, but I think that's intentional because when I check it out, it actually say Thai coffee is its own brand, saying the farmer bought coffee beans. So I think it's another sustainability factor that they support the local Thai coffee instead of the capsules and stuff. So this is the mini bar. Of course, you do have to pay for it if you want additional drinks and beer and such. Okay, so this is again very generous in size for the Edge Suite, and I'm going into the bedroom. So this is the king size bed, and that's another television here. Of course, I do not get the golf course view this time, but I do get a nice swimming pool view of the other building. So I'm going to close it for now, and then I'm going to show you the bathroom. Okay, very good size with the same bathrobe, hair dryer, a bottle of water here, and then still with a very good size bathtub. Very nice for bubbly bath. And then the big bottle of shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And of course the rain shower is right there. So again, it has everything, including the bathtub as well as the rain shower, bathrobe, and everything. A very good closet space as well. So this door can be closed. That's separate the bedroom with the bathroom. So basically, that's the quick room tour of the Hansar Bangkok. And when I check in, I noticed that the breakfast has been moved to the 19th floor. And the lady told me because they have opened up a new Italian restaurant on the lobby floor. So they moved the breakfast up to the Sky Terrace on the 19th floor. So I'm going to check out the new breakfast place tomorrow and share with you, and maybe pay a visit to the Italian restaurant later on as well. But I'm here only for one night, so I will try to see what I can do. So stay tuned.